Yeah, welcome back. Again, I couldn't make it again. See, I cannot make fucking short videos. Because there's a lot of things I have to say, and my body just called me up. I'm gonna go out after I'm done making this video. But anyway, continuing on, rambling on. If you have patience to watch my videos. I left her that she is like more culturally British than me. And she was actually, she's actually helping me out how to deal with people in America. So I'm the one who is providing for her, but she helps me like emotionally, psychologically, and he explains me the Americans way because like she understands it better, she has more experience. And she's 5 years older than me too, by the way, not to mention. So even though she is black and I'm white, she's more culturally British or American than me. And she's not ghetto at all, by the way. She dresses better than me, everything, but I'm the one with the money, so. Because I'm a Jew and I'm cheap. So I'm teaching her how to, to live, not to live above your means. And she's teaching me how to be more civilized. That's pretty much how it is straight in my relationship. But like I said, we're both immigrants. I'm white, she's black. I'm Jewish and Russian, she's African. So, completely different dynamics at all. Now, how our parents think about it, here's the thing. She knows how I am. She doesn't tell. She talks only good thing about me to her parents. Like she only says good things about me because she knows that if my parents would see how I am, they would think that I'm crazy, rude, an angry person or whatever. And they would say, what you doing with this man? And this is what my parents basically think. Like when I tell my parents about her, well, first of all, I don't think they're craving to be at her wedding. My mom, she's more understanding, but she doesn't care about her that much, but she's more understanding, she's cool. Not quite, because my mom wants me to marry a Jewish woman, only Jewish, but she cannot do much, she's in Russia. My dad, first I start complaining to my dad about her. And then he started thinking that I'm stupid, that I cannot, my dad thinks because of it that I'm stupid, I cannot, deal with money, even though I'm good with money, but because I'm helping her out, he thinks, who are you to help her out? You're not married or anything. You don't have an obligation. So basically, and then I tell my girlfriend about my dad, what he says, and my girlfriend says that my dad is a heartless person, that's what she thinks. So pretty much like I'm talking too much and that kind of, escalates not the best feelings sometimes. Because like I was going to my dad for advice and understanding, as a result, he was basically like not thinking very good of my girlfriend. And not thinking very good of me either, because he said, why are you spending all this money on this woman? That's stupid. I don't think that you're good with money, I don't think you're good financially, and since I'm working for my dad, he tells me I cannot hire you to do a professional job because you're making financially responsible decisions. That's how my dad pretty much looking at it, at my relationship with my woman. And he says, why can't you get a better woman? And he calls it like paying a prostitute, that's basically what he's saying. He said, quit doing that, get yourself a better woman. Get out of that paid relationship. And my mom also said, like, why if you love her, like, you have to like give her money, like why? But yet with my girlfriend, I have to be tough with her, but I can because kind of like her. Now, when it comes to culture, now we don't have any kids together. Her daughter grew up in America. She was born in Africa, but she's been in America since she was like 1 or 2, and she wants to stay here for the rest of her life. Her daughter is attending middle school right now. She's 13 years old. She's top student. She's been on honor rolls a lot of time. Now her picture is gonna be in her school, which is like in Grove City, Ohio, because she's that good. She's very smart, very nice girl. Almost as tall as me and big and all of that and smart. Sometimes she's even smarter than me, like sometimes even though I'm the one who is driving, but she's been around people driving the cars. She kind of tells me like not how to drive, but like she tells me like don't go like drive in the middle, drive on the right side, because I'm from Russia, and you know in Russia people don't follow the rules like when they're driving, and I was not being taught like that. So she's the one Americanized sometimes. She knows better, she's a smart girl. So pretty much I can't be father for her because she grew up American. Now I do not have kids with my girl yet, and she's going for RN degree. She wants to be an RN, and then she's open to move to St. Petersburg when she's like 40 years old and I'm 35, as long as I can provide for her, and then we can have maybe kids. And she has relatives in Russia too, like she's from Sierra Leone. She has an uncle who actually lives in Russia, so that's about me and her. And he actually married a Russian woman, and they're doing pretty well, you know. So I'm not father